Welcome to Free Social Rock Climbing. My name's Adam. Today I'm going to show you how I make my titanium rings. But I'm going to test them first. So I've got 36 divisions there with my 109 kilogram weight suspended. Returns to 0. I've got gravity pointing that way. Near enough is good enough. Got a little tangent stop stuck against the tangent there. I've got 225 millimeters across. By 350 high. That should calculate to 109 kilograms. I'll throw the calculations in the next screen. And see you soon. $64 and a bit. $39 and a bit. 12. So the aim is to take it up to 800 power deflection, which will be number 8 on the little dial. There's just over 1 ton, 1.5, and I'm going to have to pull with 2 hands, film with 1 hand as usual. Bit more. There we are, in excess of 800 thou. And that creep is the knot tightening. So now I slacken her off. Focus. And measure for permanent deformation. I'm going to call that good. I've rough machined the titanium ring with a round carbide tool in the tool post. Now it's time to finish it off with a tangential high-speed steel scraper to even out the freehand radius, and blend the ends of the radius where it joins the straight part at about now at 90 degrees and at 0 degrees. I then finish it off with 240 grit emery tape to create a very smooth surface of the rope.